Hello and welcome back. This is Luke News. A family life in the train show yesterday. I'm with my subject, Paw Paw.
That's right. Real fans.
Real fans in one video, and this you will see on camera. See those way down there?
This is the real thing. This isn't a model train.
This is real things, not model trains. Moving forward again, we're having some strange stuff here.
Now they're going back out. They stopped.
And they moved and they just stopped right now. Isn't that right, Paw Paw on Luke News?
That's right.
Well, it's moving again. I bet it will stop.
Now they're shoving back again.
But they'll stop soon. It might stop very soon. This is live on Luke News, not at the train yard.
We got us a ringside seat.
Yeah, I'm putting the level crossing, which you see right there. Isn't that right, Paw Paw?
Yep, they're shoving them back fast now.
It's going faster now.
There's some brand new tank cars, those FPAXs. Look how shiny they are. That's got sodium hydroxide in them.
They sure are shiny, folks. Right, Paw Paw?
That's right. Here's an old veteran covered hopper. Look how rusty he is. He could use a paint job. Here comes the engines. We got number 1809. Look, 1809.
Must be his cousin. As a steam locomotive.
We know another 1809, don't we?
Yeah, it's a steam locomotive in Slayton.
What a coincidence. In 1849, they are getting on down the line. Wow.
Like another one right there has just stopped. This is live from Luke News. We'll catch you back once it's moving. Bye.